Hello everyone, we are unboxing. Good afternoon, Naomi. How are you? This one I locked it like this because of rats. Like this. Good afternoon everyone. Today we are unboxing this bag all the way from the universe. This one is from the universe. It's our sister who brought this to us. She's based everywhere in the world. So we want to discover what is inside so that we can share to our children. This one of their timelines. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Wow, for bigger people, for bigger persons. So this is from the UK, from Germany. Oh, this is a little baby. This baby's all right. Babies. Wow. Wow. This is cute. Can't go too much. Babies. Baby shirts. Wow. This one Shipato. My God. More babies. Wonderful. More babies. More babies. I was looking at this bag to be small. It is loaded. I'm very excited. Babies and babies. 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 Ah, yeah, yes. Babies. 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 Oh, my children will have clothes in any order. Any order will have clothes. Wow. Shirts. All those things. Wow. She's like, she was packing and sitting on it like this so that the thing will, because it's not getting finished. The thing is not finishing. My God, my God, my God. See. Wow. Oh. Super cute. It's cute. Can you imagine that this bag produce all these things? Whoa! You choose. Wow. Okay. Right. Naomi, we have unloaded. We have unboxed. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Naomi, for assisting me this afternoon. Thank you so much, our partners. This is awesome. This is going to be a huge blessing to so many children, so many bigger children, and some elderly people too. We have something from here. This is the kind of support that makes the mission and the vision possible. Yeah, you saw the other day, we saw a young girl tying loin on her waist to go around the street talking. She was not doing so because she had. She did so because she didn't have. And so when things like this come, we locate these kind of children and we share with them, just so they can have something to put on their body to cover them. God bless you. Thank you so much, our partners worldwide. Thank you for always donating items like this to help the needy, to help our people in our community. God bless you immensely. God replenish you. God increase you. Thank you so much. Thank you, and bye-bye to everybody from Akimbo Welfare. Bye-bye. And we now meet this afternoon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao. Thank you.